this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. Hello and welcome back again to another great episode in Photoshop, and today we are going to learn how to create a true pure gold skin effect in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So just import your photo into Photoshop as usual, and what you need to do is to create another duplicate. As I told you in our last tutorial, we just did the command J, yeah, right? Or Control J on Windows, just to create a duplicate, or just right click, okay, and just create your duplicate layer. Yeah. So what you're going to use to create this effect, just go to filter and click on Camera RAW filter. Yes, so this is where the magic happens. The slider we are going to use to create this effect is the temperature. So just move up and just increase the temperature. Just look at that. Just look at this. Now it starts to play with the contrast and highlight. Okay, highlight. Play with the white. Decrease the black. Okay, this is where the magic also happens. Just the clarity. Just look at this. Okay, can increase some details. Okay, I can bring down the black a bit. The contrast down a bit. Now you see that our picture is so bright, so we just can decrease the exposure. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. So if you are satisfied, just click on OK. Now you could see this, what we did is affected what the background. So what I want you to do, hold your option on this and create a max. Now make sure this is set to foreground. Select your brush. Reduce the size of this brush a bit. Now start painting on the body. Look at it. It doesn't affect the background. Oh my god. So that's it. We just created a true pure gold effect in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you in another tutorial. Take care and stay safe.